Hello again. Day 2 of building this. Well, not day. I'm starting now and it's 7:30 already in the evening. It's been crazy at work, so couldn't do much on that. Now I have something built, running into some Docker deploy issues that I am fixing. Mostly to do with the pricing updates. We have this issue now where the pricing, trying different ways to get the pricing updating in real time, and that's not been very useful so far. Because of this, I am rebuilding it differently and see if this new backend actually makes it potentially better. I have another option. I came across this thing yesterday, and if I can find it, look at that. That's my code saying, hey, you have stuff to do now on your end. What is my... not this one, not this one, not this one. TV screener. Yeah, this is the one. So someone used Claude and Copilot, apparently, to build something called TV screener, which is a TradingView screener API, which it gets data from TradingView screener itself, and you can get that from stocks, crypto, forex, bonds, features, and coins. So and then you get them as a data frame. So the repo is this one. If I can show again. Lovely. This called TV screener, and it's on GitHub. I need more gold, which means more info. Fortunately, Cloud Code doesn't let you do one of the nicest things, which is to use hooks to say, okay, you're running out of credits. So I would use that sound for that, but hey ho, no, doesn't allow it. And I'm using it when Claude requires more information. So it requires some more information, which I'm reading through. Some WebSocket issues. Okay. Yeah. Let's see now. Okay, this now built, and now I am going to test this again, see if it builds the thing. I really should not be doing this. pnpm run build is the key component here. Then, but this should not be doing that. Why do I have that here? Irrelevant. So let's build this again. It's building the other services. We have 3 services in a Docker Compose file, which do... Oh my. And why? Dang. Not modules. RAM package. Everything. RAM PNP. Everything. And RAM turbo. Okay. And now ls packages. Why would it not find this unless there is an error in the actual. Never mind. Paint, basically. PNPM build, and I am not copying. Yeah, I am. PNPM install, so this is copying everything from there. Technically, this should work. No, it's not. Okay, so if we go to LS packages pricing, never mind. I'm gonna get it to work. Basically, this is just an update on how that's progressing. We have the app, but the app now requires the onboarding. So any good app will have some sort of onboarding with the configuration to get what the user needs, go through the flow of their plan, how it works, and whatnot. Have the news working, I think. So if I can just send the Docker compose file, we have timescale thingies, worker, another worker which takes care of another thing, pricing, this pricing. What is the are we getting the news? That is me asking Claude. I'm asking where is something that I created and seems to be removed. Not great. Anyway, and I should be using Git, which I'm not. So, okay. Okay, so it moved that in within the API. All right, it does work. Trying to get to a B1 to start using Git, but technically I should have been using that before. Everyone knows that. Don't be dumb as I am sometimes, because that is not good. And just finished. Okay, so that's the update, and I'll see you on the next one where I am going to hopefully be explaining a bit more on our progress. Hopefully we'll have a test ready of a V1 with the onboarding portfolio. Actually, I'm gonna show you the app before I go because I think it's nice to see. Still not there, just so you know. Don't expect magic, but here is how it's looking. So you have the portfolio value, total value, and value over time. You can add assets, different types of assets. You can search, and you can import documents and whatnot. This is about to change because we are adding something that's really cool. So I need to explain this.
More gold is required.
Oh well. Something really cool, which is gonna be reading, if you give it access to it, it's gonna read through your email. And that's not there now. And it's gonna read through your emails to find statements of things you have and then prompt you via confirmation flow for each of things that we are adding. Is that correct? And if it is, then good. And it will also say in which platform and whatnot. Have the chat, which is working. Test. So chat's working. It gives you information. And I want to add, the idea is that you can do this 200 stocks I bought of Apple at 190 each. Let's see if that works. I have no clue. I don't think it will. It has some ties that need to be tied up. If it does, it will be great, but okay. Nah, doesn't work. It opens the right thing. It adds the assets, so you can actually go to the chat and it says yes. But it asks you if you want to add them manually. Yeah. Again, it's a crude version. We'll get better at this by the time we do the submission. Have the premium part, which showing now, it will not be showing because we have a revenue cut integration. Actually, I show a paid version of this. You can unlock the premium and then it goes to payment, and then on so on and so forth. Generates plans. Actually, we don't have anything there yet, so nothing that you can do. This is very crude and it will change. And yeah, you have a lot of points here that you might be interested in. We also have the learn side of things. We offer an investing basics free with where the lessons are going to be here, and fixed income essentials where you can learn things that way. You can also monetize it in a different way through creators. We have news, market updates, and you can get this as soon as the API works. Same for your portfolio, videos. You have things you can find. For example, this is daily markets. You can follow, and it stays on follow, and it should load your YouTube here as when it can, and then learning, which is not correct. That needs to go. That should be something else. I don't remember what it was now. And then settings, where this is going to come next. So all in all, bit crude still.